Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your chat in Claude. Now, as you can see here, I'm in a chat, and in order to rename the chat, you can easily go ahead and look towards the upper left hand side where you have the name. This is something that is generated by default, and so you can always rename this. So I asked it how powerful is Claude, and let's say this is what I want to rename my file to. As you can see, it gives it its own name, and it basically say Claude AI capabilities overview. But let's say I don't want that. I can click the drop down there in the upper left, click on rename, and just basically enter what I want it to be and click and save. And as you can see, it renames the chat there for me. And that's it, guys. I also have on the left hand side my sidebar. It's kind of minimized right now, but I can click on it to expand it, and from that side as well, I'm also able to rename my chat. So as you can see, it shows the chat. I can click the three dots there, and I also have rename, and I can rename it as well from here. But that's it.